Okay, hi folks. So this is a very quick run through on the very basics of Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code works both in Mac and Windows, and probably Linux as well. But anyway, this is the welcome page that it starts you up with. You can click through all this stuff if you want. You honestly, for this course, you're not going to be using more than maybe a quarter of the features and buttons and stuff that you can see here. Yours is probably not in dark mode. Mine's in dark mode. I believe it's probably in preferences that you can change that. And I don't remember exactly where it is. It's not that huge of a deal. But basically, anytime you open up a file, it'll show over here. Typically, every time you start a new project, you want to create a new folder with it. Now, this is a folder that I went out and I created, but I can also open other folders. So I do a file open folder. So if you create a brand new folder, you can go and open the folder. And let me see if I have another demo something out there. Yeah, I'll just make a new one. So new folder, call it demo because that's what it is, and I'll select the folder. Okay, so what that does is it gives me a list of the non-existent files over here, but now it knows that that's the folder where everything is, well, based. We're not messing with any of the rest of this stuff. You don't have to. You don't have to mess with these. Those are more for coding in JavaScript and stuff like that. I'm going to start a new file, and I'll just call it index.html. Since that's the name that the file name a home page should be. And it prompts me to save it, well, within the folder that I selected. So here we go. I have my index.html, and then I could go ahead and just start typing in the information. It prompts you, which is very nice. It also auto-finishes opening and closing tags, as you just saw. And it lets me know when something is not formatted correctly. So you can see as I'm typing, before I settle on what it is I'm doing, it turns yellow. It turns red occasionally. Yeah, I need to learn my colors better. Since I've already saved it as a .html, it color codes what I have going on here. Oops, cannot spell. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, basically it lets you do that. Then if I want to go out, I can go and open the page using my browser. Where did demo go? Demo. There's demo. Okay, so I can go and I can get my page, and then I can open it in my browser, and there it is, and there's where the title is. There's a lot more to it that you can do, but just at its most basic point, this is what you can use it for. You can do, helpful, href equals, since we're probably getting into styles here pretty quick. You can also use it to work on CSS. No, I want a new file. New file, there we go. Styles.css prompts me on where to save it, and I can go and I can have both of these open now. So I can say, and it'll also check over CSS, so it'll see if I'm typing in things correctly. It'll prompt you with various bits of information. Font family. Oh, that's nice. It has font stacks in it. Cool. And maybe the H1. And if I type something wrong, so like that, instead of background, it isn't the right color. So it's saying, I don't know what that is. Whereas if I change it to say background, it's like, oh, I know what that is. That's gonna be ugly. And there it is. Okay. So anyway, just a very quick overview, and honestly, that much information will get you where you need to go. Yeah, and as always, you can also come over here and you can go to Reveal in File Explorer if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, I would imagine, say, Reveal in Finder. So, pretty nice. Looks like it might have an open server, which is cool. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So that live server thing, what that likely means, let's see. Save. Ah, nice. So there you go. You can do a live server on these. That's a nice little creature feature too, because you can update stuff and it updates immediately once you save. So very nice. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. Email if you have any questions, as per usual.